2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, CD player, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.